Children, the next topic what we are going to learn is about electrolytic refining. Refining means to purify the crude metal. So this process taken out in the presence of electrolysis. That is why it is called as electrolytic refining. So for electrolysis, generally we need anode, cathode, electrolyte. Anode, always the impure metal taken in the form of a rod. Cathode, pure metal. Then electrolyte, the salt of the metal. In aqueous form. In aqueous form. So the electrolytic vessel, anode means positive, cathode means negative. Here electrolyte, that is salt of the metal, electrolyte is taken. This anode is impure, cathode is the pure metal, electrolyte. So when current is passed, the pure metal from the anode, the metal atoms from the anode converted to metal ions. Metal ions, that is positive charge. It goes into the solution, then gets deposited on the cathode. The atoms present in the metal moves into the solution as metal ions, the positive ions, and then gets deposited on the cathode. Then the impurities present in the anode, that is less electropositive impurities, all fall down here as anode mud. So question will be asked, what is meant by anode mud? The impurities present in the anode, which is less electropositive, all falls down as anode mud. For example, this process is meant for refining many metals, copper, zinc, silver, etc. One example we can see for refining silver. To refine silver, anode, impure silver, cathode, pure silver, electrolyte, acidified means little acid is added. Aqueous means water. Silver nitrate AgNO3 is added. Same electrolytic vessel, anode, cathode, electrolyte. When current is passed, what happens? In the anode, silver, which is in the solid state, that atoms converted into, this is the impure, converted it into silver ion, that is in aqueous, monopositive ions, by losing one electron. So this after moving into the solution, then moves to the cathode and gets deposited, silver ions. Now at cathode, these silver ions accept one electron and forming silver metal, which is in the solid state, which is deposited, it is the pure silver. So anode, the silver present is impure. Cathode, the silver present is the pure form. After accepting one electron, here losing one electron, anode, cathode, then all the impurities which are less electropositive fall down as anode mud. So question will be asked like this: what is the principle in electrolytic refining? Principle means anode, cathode, electrolyte diagram. Then whatever happens, the atoms converted into ions, moves into the solution, then gets deposited on the cathode. All the impurities fall down as anode mud. Then question will be asked like this: explain the electrolytic refining of silver. Silver means you have to write this one. Then sometimes what is meant by electrode, anode mud. So these are the questions you should be able to answer for this one. So clearly I have explained. You can go through the book also. Shortly given, this you can follow. Shortly you can follow this one. It's very easy to follow.